Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain how I'm using Kajabi communities to manage and build my network marketing business. Okay, so using the Kajabi tool, this is my affiliate dash. Uh, sorry, this is my admin panel. Okay, in the admin panel, if I go to products, under products, there is an option called community, and when I click on community, I can see options like this. Okay, so by the way, first of all, if you want to get access of Kajabi tool, which is an amazing tool which I'm using to build my network marketing business and coaching business. If you want to get access of this tool for 30 days absolutely free, you can go to this link dnaclub.in/Kajabi. I'm giving this clickable link in this video description as well. Once you hit this link, it will direct you to the payment page of Kajabi, and basically you can claim your 30 days free trial. Okay, so kickstart plan, basic plan, there were different plans. You can choose any of these and you can start with 30 days trial. Okay, so the clickable link in this is in this video description. So how I'm using Kajabi communities to build my network marketing business is, in the community I have created one community. You can create one community here, but under that community we can create multiple access groups, which means multiple groups which we can create here. So my this is my coaching business, DNA Club community. This TLF help desk, TLF stands for the Leadership Factory, and this is the name of my community. Okay, I have another community. So for this tutorial, I am actually not going to talk about these two. I'm going to talk about my network marketing community. Okay, so my downlines, how I'm managing all my downlines through community is, I've created one access group in Kajabi community, and whoever joins my team, we actually give them access to this community. And by getting the access, they can actually install Kajabi app. Okay, under the Kajabi app, they can see the courses, the videos which we have created for them. Just to train them, like what they must do on day one, day two, day three, like this. And also, they get access to the community which within the same app. There is no need to install two different apps. Within the Kajabi app, they can see the courses and also the community part. So let me show you how the community looks. So this is basically the from the admin panel. Okay, so this is how it looks: feed, challenges, meetups, leaderboard, all these things. So these are common for all the communities, groups. Okay, so there are in you can create one community, and in that one community you can create unlimited access groups. So access groups means like TLF help desk. So this is my all my downlines in network marketing. Okay, all my downlines get access to TLF help desk, and DNA Club Community Freedom School, they do not see these two access groups. They can see only TLF help desk. And under this, I have created multiple circles. What is circles? Circles is basically the topic on which they can different topics on which they can post in the community. Okay, so one I have created called Q&A and general discussion. Okay, so in Kajabi we are calling it circles. So under this circle we can write a post, and also any question if they have, they can post it here. Basically, I'm using Kajabi communities to have interaction within the team members. Okay, uh, for quick notification, we were earlier using WhatsApp groups, but then we moved on to Telegram group. But only the admins, only the few leaders, they have access to message on the Telegram group. But apart from that, if we want multiple, we have more than 2000, approx 2000 community members. So we really do not want people to communicate within Telegram. We want them to be part of Kajabi community, where they can pose their questions, general discussion. If they want any help from other community members, they can post it in Kajabi community under Q&A and general discussion. This is one circle which we have created. Okay, so each and every person in the community, they can see what all type of questions people are putting, and they can learn from each other. They can help each other. Okay, another circle which we have created is called share your content. So in our team, we train people to create YouTube videos, to create content on Instagram. So whenever they create any content, they can share their content here in this circle, so that other team members can also get inspired. The type of thumbnails people other, their cross lines are uploading, the kind of content they are uploading. So it is great. It is a great collaboration kind of thing where we can get inspired from other community members. Okay, so This is the thing. Another circle which we have created is share your wins. So all the wins, all the good things which is happening within, I mean, for the team members, like they have sold one particular, suppose they have sold the product, they have got new team members, they've got money, okay, they got more 1000 subscribers. So whatever is the case, you can share your wins within this particular circle. So again, we keep through this, what we are doing is we are keeping all the testimonies in one place, okay, and this is accessible to all the community members. Next is welcome new member. So if any of our team member joins, their sponsor can introduce themselves, their sponsor can introduce the downline, the new team member, and this way, through poster and through short brief intro, we congratulate and welcome all the new members in the community, okay. So this is one thing. Another is Priya Arya TLF help desk. So Priya Arya is basically she has been assigned Priya Arya. She has been assigned as a TLF community manager. Um, so what we do, if any of the team member they want to directly contact Priya Arya for any kind of questions, if they want to if they want Priya to answer those questions, in that case they can post their questions within Priya Arya TLF support system. So it is Priya who has to reply to all these questions, and she is basically community manager. Okay, so Q&A general discussion is where you want to discuss with other community members and get inspired from other community members. You can help other community members. That is the thing. And but in Priya Area Help Desk, people can directly ask questions from Priya only. Okay, so this is how I have created access group, and all the community members they interact with each other through this one app. Now they have to install only one app, that is Kajabi. Within Kajabi, they can see the recordings of all the trainings which we have done in the community, and also now they can access the community, all these posts as well. Okay, so this is how I am managing my entire team, so that it is very important. Okay, one is education. We are giving education to our team members, but other thing is environment. If we can give good productive environment to our community members, this gives them the reason to stay within the to stay in the business. Okay, so it is so important in network marketing. This can't be done, all these things can't be done in a WhatsApp group or in a Telegram group. Okay, a proper managed community, for that you can use Kajabi communities. Good thing is we can create unlimited access groups. Suppose you have three type of people in three categories of people in your downlines. One is people who have started with the minimum billing, partial billing, you can call one community, one group. Another is people who have achieved a particular level, managers level, so you can say manager mastermind. Then another is all the core members in the community, you can call core members. So this kind of access groups you can create so that the community members of that particular access group can interact with each other. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question related to Kajabi or Kajabi community, you can put in the comment box below. And also, if you want to get access of Kajabi tool for 30 days absolutely free, then you can click on the link in this video description and get access, claim your 30 days free trial. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.